Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to recover deleted Instagram chats. So let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile. Now go to the three lines on the top. It will lead you to settings and privacy. Now scroll to the bottom and otherwise just go to account center, then go to your information and permissions. And from here, go to export your information. It will lead you to create export this website. So you have to choose a device, or if you want to export to your device or export to an external device. So let's say in this device, I want to export, and then they will just make a format, choose a media quality. You can also change the date range and customize the information. Like if you just want the Instagram chats, you have to just select the messages option. Otherwise, let's say clear all, and in here clear all, just select the messages and then tap on save, and then you can just export your information, open your email and download that zip file, extract and find a chat file like messages.json. So you have to just save it and then export the zip file. So I hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next